Hi everyone, welcome to another video on our how-to series where we help our customers keep their machine running smoothly and minimize downtime. Today we're here in our warehouse and I'm in front of a washer dryer stacker, and all the washers of this type, they come with some transit bolts to protect the cylinder in transit and the freight. And it's a very simple step. For that, I'm going to use a 14mm socket, a 5/16 socket, a power screwdriver, my gloves, and of course, our clear goggles. So let's begin with it. This is a really easy step. I'm going to put my gloves now, and I'm going to show you how easy is this to perform. So first, we're going to take out the front lower panel that is in front of you. And okay, I'm going to take it because this is a new machine. It comes with some packaging. I'm going to take out this one. And with the 5/16, I'm going to extract the two bolts that are placed here. I'm going to pull it back, right? And I'm going to put this aside. It comes with a label that, if you can see the details, it tells you how to extract this angle, and it has 4 bolts. And for that, I'm going to use my 14mm socket. I'm going to change it and just extract them one by one. As you can see, now I can take off this angle, and if you want to, you can keep them in case you want to move your machine to another place. But that's it. It's pretty simple. I'm just gonna put this one back on the top and change it again to the 5/16 socket. You can use an 8mm socket if you don't have a 5/16, and put it back. It's one. So that's one side. Okay guys, we are on the back of the machine and we have 2 transit bolts, one on the left, one on the right. They come tagged with a yellow tag. So you can see them. I'm gonna stick them here. And with the 14mm socket, you just pull them, unscrew them out. Come with a rubber. They look like this, right? That's the left one. This is the right one. And the last step, inside the machine, you will see this bag. I open it and you will extract these 2 white covers or leads. And you're gonna replace those bolts with these covers, one in each side. You can see them there. Totally safe. Don't forget to do this, because then the machine is gonna start to vibrate and have problems. We have a lot of calls that the machine is bouncing and moving to the sides, walking, and we have come to the place and they haven't extracted the transition bolts. This is a very important step, and that's it. Very simple. Stay safe and see you next video.